Welcome back to my unboxing Cybertruck parts channel, and my name is Joe Holmes, and thank you for joining me today. And by the way, all you people out there that have hooked up on my Tesla Cybertruck code to get your own Cybertruck, I appreciate that, and hope you appreciate the money Tesla's giving you as well. We're here to talk about EB Vase seat covers. And I ordered the white ones, and I wanted to let you know that I love the white color. I had what came with the car originally, which is a gray black, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to show you really just the finished product. I'm going to link an installation video that I was sent as well on there, but it took me close to 2 hours to install these, and I had help. If you don't have help, I'm guessing it'll take you about 3 hours to install. I took my time, and what was really tricky was there's a hook that you have to go in between the seats and shove down. And if you're working by yourself, then obviously you have to go down underneath and grab that hook to hook it down underneath to pull the seats down snugly, and I'll show you a little bit about that in a second. But anyway, this is part of the tool that comes with the kit, and this is for the sides, for make sure that everything looks uniform and straight on the sides, but it's also used to push that little hook down like this through the seats, and then you go down there and grab it. Problem is that it just never goes straight. It goes off, you can't grab it. So I slept one night and I go, well, how can I improve this? What can I do better? I need like a hook to grab it. So I decided to drill a hole in this tool, and then I put this, whatever you call this.
Zip tie.
Zip tie, yes. Thank you. Thank you. I put a zip tie on it, and it made it so much easier. You'd literally just put this down through the two parts where the seat goes, down to a point where somebody at the bottom can grab it. Then you put the hook on here, and then you pull the whole thing down. It just, oh my God, it's like night and day. Made it so much easier. If they can come with a zip tie and pre-drilled this, and you put it together at home and do that, that would be like super awesome. But anyways, I want you to come over here, and you can see that the seats, they look beautiful. They're really nice. I love them. If you take a look at the edges and stuff, it all fits into place really well. There may be a couple of spots where you see some bulging or creases or whatever. I've had these on for a few days. I'm sure that's going to go away once it gets hot. It'll start stretching out or shrinking in the right places. And it comes with everything. The seat part that goes down in the middle, that's all included in the covering. So everything's covered. And then in the front, obviously comes with the two front seats. And then in the middle dashboard, they sent out that cover for the middle dashboard as well. So that's pretty awesome. The seats are awesome. I like the white because this truck came with the white on the doors and the dash, and to me it just makes it look just that much better. So I highly encourage you to go out and buy these if you're looking to buy something. They do make them in gray. I don't know why you would buy gray and put on top of gray, but I love the white, and they are very sturdy. They say that they're leather, okay? So whatever that means, it's leather, but it really does. It really feels like leather. You will not be disappointed. The only thing that if you decide to install this by yourself, make sure you find a friend and you look at the entire video from beginning to end to see how everything's installed, and then take it back to the beginning and start a little bit at a time and watch the video and install it and stop it, install it and stop. Okay, so thank you very much for joining my channel. We'll see you on the next one.